Imagine a world without tires. No cars, no bicycles, no trucks. How would we get from place to place? The tire, a seemingly simple invention, has revolutionized transportation and society. But who invented the tire, and how did it come to be such a crucial part of our lives? The story of the tire begins thousands of years ago. Ancient civilizations like the Sumerians and Babylonians used wooden wheels with leather or animal skins wrapped around them to transport heavy objects. These early tires were far from the rubber tires we know today, but they laid the groundwork for future innovations. It wasn't until the 19th century that the modern tire was developed. In 1845, Scottish engineer Robert William Thompson patented a pneumatic tire made of vulcanized rubber and canvas. This new design provided a smoother ride and better traction than previous tires. The pneumatic tire quickly gained popularity, and by the early 20th century, it had become the standard for automobiles. As car production increased, so too did the demand for tires. Tire manufacturers began to experiment with different materials and designs, improving the performance and durability of their products. Today, tires are essential for a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to bicycles and motorcycles. They are available in various sizes, shapes, and materials, each designed for specific purposes. From racing tires to off-road tires, the tire has evolved to meet the needs of modern transportation. So, while we may never know the exact identity of the first person to invent the tire, we can appreciate the countless individuals who have contributed to its development over the centuries. The tire is a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of our progress as a species. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more video update.